Hello and welcome to the Hacienda del Mar in Cabo San Lucas. My name is Rena and I'm going to show you around. As you walk in, you are greeted with the restroom on the right with these beautiful double sinks, which look like they are hand painted, and a walk-in shower with a glass window into the rest of the room. Rain shower, restroom, a robe, and as you continue down into the room, you pass the closet with the safe. You come inside and we have the king bed option with the view, which you'll see in a second. Nice happy TV. There's a mini fridge in here and a coffee maker, an espresso, which is amazing. Super cozy bed, a work desk, and a chair to lounge in. Outside, you have a spacious patio. Sure you can hear the ocean, which is right there. You can lounge and enjoy ocean views. There you go.